Guys, here's a really rare bird for you here. It's a Kawasaki 454 LTD. We've all seen the LTD 750 and the 1000, the big brothers, but this is a really rare piece. It's a liquid-cooled, twin-cylinder, 454 belt drive. It's set up just like the big brothers. It's got the swoopy gas tank, the king-queen seat, the buckhorn bars, the long travel front forks, the chrome fenders, the mag wheels. It's got all the goodies, and it performance to match. Black and red paint stripe on it, and it's just been gone through by the mechanic himself. Another kick-ass cruiser from Kawasaki. It's based on Kawasaki's bulletproof 900cc Ninja engine. It's basically half of a 900 Ninja. If you look at the cylinders and what all the components are very similar. It has 2 constant velocity keying carbs for performance, dual exhaust, has really good fuel economy, super smooth throttle response. It's lightweight, only weighs 397 pounds. It has a very low 29-inch seat height. Keep your feet on the ground. 6-speed transmission with a maintenance-free belt drive, very sturdy frame, very robust and versatile engine. This one has very, very little use on it. And if you take a look here, you can see the gauges are only showing 8,000 miles on it. So 88, 99, 18, so what is it, 35 years old. And this only has 8,000 miles on it. Barely broken in. The mechanic put new spark plugs in it, new battery, removed, cleaned, and tuned the carburetors. Full tune-up, major tune-up, drain flush it, and inspected the fuel tank. It's got fresh 94 octane VP ethanol-free fuel, new Bel-Ray MC4 engine oil, new high-flow engine oil filter, new crossover exhaust gasket, and he also rebuilt the forks, put new fork seals and boots with fresh Bel-Ray 20-weight fork oil, and put a brand new front tire on it. You can see it's still got the hairy nubs on it. It's only got like 3 miles on it. So brand new front tire. The rear tire's in excellent condition also. With 90% tread. All the lights and gauges are inspected and working. Complete nut and bolt check over. Gave it a full rotisserie detail. It was pressure washed, hand washed, buffed, waxed, and shined. This is the original factory paint job on it. It's got a little bit of patina on it, on the paint job, some scratches, and it's not perfect, the paint job. It's got a little some defects in the paint job, but it looks great from 10 feet, and it's the original 35-year-old paint job. So I'm 6'2", just to put it in perspective. I'm a little probably taller than most users on a 454, but it fits me fine. Got a very comfortable riding position. First got a kitten. This is a bike you can ride all day long. Everything works beautifully. Turn signals, high beam, low beam, all the idiot lights. Winner. Purrs like a kitten, but when you open it up, it's got the heart of a ninja. You've got a gear for every situation, and you can take this baby out on the highway and cruise at highway speeds all day long. And it's extremely fuel efficient. I believe it gets over 60 miles to the gallon, so it's like free transportation. It's affordable. The registration and insurance on it, because it's a classic, you can put antique plates on it. It costs you like peanuts compared to a new bike. The insurance, the property taxes, and there's going to be no depreciation, because this is going up in value every year, unlike a brand new bike where you buy it for 5 grand or 10 grand and the next year it's worth 20% less. This one's done, ready to go, trouble-free, typical Kawasaki craftsmanship and reliability, and the performance is, like I said, it's like a half of the Ninja 900 motor. Plenty fast to scare yourself.